Moving forward with the what's next is we are expecting Shavez on this call very soon. He already had confirmed, and we will hear it from him about the protocol yield. So as of today, the subscriptions on protocol yield, our brand new product, are already open. Everybody can have an access to the free trading plus. And meanwhile, we are waiting for Shavez. I can help you understand what protocol yield is all about, and I can demonstrate the value of this package. All right. So on WAAS back office, there is an exclusive subscriptions of Pi. So right now, anybody who is a part of WAAS can straight away go to their WAAS account. They will find a Pi subscription here in the back office. And as they access this Pi subscription, they will find a free trading pass. Let me change my wallet, my account, so that, I have already purchased here this free trading pass, so it's not available. Let us do it on this account. So as you go to the Pi subscription, you will see you will have a free trading pass here. And anybody who is having a WAAS account, they can get this free trading pass. So as you select this free trading pass, validity is for 30 days. Everybody who has a free trading pass, they can get an access to the exclusive Pi platform. This is the Pi platform. And here you will be able to participate in the protocol yield and its value. So let us quickly get this subscription. We receive an OTP to confirm the subscription. So right now, as you can see in the subscription history, we have already purchased this free trading pass, and right next to it, we have this coupon details. So all the Pi subscription purchased, including the free trading pass, they have a coupon associated with them. And these coupons are in fact associated with an email address, and the default email address is the email address on your profile on this WAAS account. All right. And if you have the same email on WAAS and the KYC protocol yield, you only need to get to coupon details, and you can copy this coupon code, and you can copy and write in the protocol yield. Once your account is KYC'd, you can log into your account, and in the portfolio or in the deposit, I'm sorry, not deposit. You will have an option to redeem this coupon.
Click on subscription.
Oh yes, here it is. Actually, it was hidden by the Zoom options. That's why I could not find it. So here we have an option to redeem the coupon. So you can paste it over here. You can verify the coupon, and you can see the coupon verified successfully. So if you have the same email on this WAAS back office and the KYC protocol yield account, you can simply use the coupon as copy and paste. All right. So let me refresh this. So here you can see this coupon code has already been redeemed. You can see the date 2025, 8th of March. All right. Now we already have had an option to purchase this pass, and we have already used this free trading pass and deposited maximum $100 that is allowed with this subscription. So maximum $100 has been deposited in BEEP20, and as we deposited, we were able to allocate this $100 to this services available. So it almost has been a day when we had invested with the services, and you can see $100 is already in a day, it's $105.69. So you can see the average a day's return was 4%, 4%, and 11%. So we segregated $100 into 40 with Algo Trade Rider, 40 with Purple Swan, and 20 with Swift Holdings. So with this appreciative value, our capital right now it's 105.69. And as you scroll through this portfolio, you can see the balances, and in the transaction history, you can see $100 was deposited on 6th of April, right? And after this, 20, 20, 40, and 20 were allocated to 3 services. And if we, get into the details of these transactions, so we can explore on the BSC scan the transaction details. So here you can see $100 was deposited. All right. And this is the BUSD stablecoin smart contract. All right. And you can deposit on the smart contract available. And as you can see, we have a secured SSL encryption fireblocks that intakes the privacy of the funds. And we already have with us Shavez, and he will be taking it further from here. Shavez, welcome to the call, and the floor is yours.
Thank you, Rashid. Welcome to UK Prime Time again. I believe everybody is doing good. Amazing news. I believe most of you have started already creating your portfolio, activating your coupons. Now from WAAS generated coupons, they're active on Pi. You can now subscribe. You can now start investing in Pi with your subscription or with free trading pass that we have provided. So this is good. Next thing that I wanted to discuss today, because it is really, really important as to how the market is moving and what kind of results we saw. And this is very important. I'm going to take an elaborative call on the same, aspect of the market on Friday, but it was very important today. And since we went live also, I wanted to address the community and show you guys some results that came out of these strategies. So if we look at the market, everybody knows what happened in last 2 to 3 days, especially on Friday when stock market closed with crash which was one of the largest, one of the biggest crashes in the history of stock market, the crypto was aware, since crypto never sleeps, uh, and crypto is traded every day, all days in a week. So crypto market had anticipation of having effect on stock market that was coming on Monday. Few exchanges in India, then in Pakistan. Pakistan exchange, stock exchange closed in 54 minutes, I believe, today. In 54 minutes, it was closed. Like all the stocks, they were close to, or most of them hit already their circuit. So when the circuit is low, uh, trading stops on that particular asset, and more than 90% were, uh, at the same condition. And that's why somewhere in 2 hours, somewhere in 50 minutes, somewhere in, 5, 6 hours, the markets were shut down. And that was supposed to have an impact on crypto. Bitcoin went down 10% yesterday, and rest of the altcoins almost 20 to 25%. And this was a massive bloodbath in the market, in the industry. And then we see our services, these HFTs, how they perform. So perfect example, Swift Holdings. How many people actually go and read the description of services of strategy also? Tell me. And you knew what happened. Just 3 people. I told you guys to read because it's going to give you, uh, the first-hand insights as to what your trader is doing, what that particular HFT is executing in the backend. Okay, perfect. So when we see the HFT which did the best yesterday, and then we read about their strategy that it's event-driven algo. It is basically event-driven trading strategies, execute trades based on rapid reactions on real-time news and market events. Algorithms monitor news feeds, social media, and other information sources for significant events that may affect cryptocurrency prices, such as changes in regulatory policies. There was tariff change, uh, technological breakthroughs, major partnerships, or security incidents. And that's how these event-driven algos, they function and they get you the best outcomes. And see which algo shined on the day. And I would also say that the profit, almost 11% profit that they made, according to me, their pi score tomorrow is going to be reduced. The kind of risk they took, because it could have been 10% loss as well, right? If they are playing on the news like that. So this is where I was able to observe and understand also the consistency. And then I was also able to analyze that other traders, they also made money. Like we see BTC Alpha, they only play on Bitcoin. This is the apex of Bitcoin HFT. They only trade in Bitcoin on Bybit in spot. So when I saw their growth, it was 0.77% and it gave me the best feeling because of the consistency and because of outrunning the market consistently. That's where we analyze and we understand, okay, if we read their strategy, they are simple, quantum leap in Bitcoin HFT. As simple as. So this is where you, And that's why they are low risk. Their pi score will not be affected if they make or bring big profits. That's why it is important for us to understand pi score. And that will give you guys more understanding when you will have your portfolio, when you will have, see, I can see around 92 investors, 107, 130, many investors already onboarded now. So we will see better pi score, driven pi score from tomorrow. If we see Algo Rider, they made 4.4%. I was expecting from them at least 30-35% profit. Because last time when Bitcoin dipped, if you guys remember, Algo Rider made 48% profit in one day. So their strategy says the same, that they trade in future spot arbitrage. On centralized exchange, there are futures and spot, and price of Bitcoin in both sometimes have an arbitrage. And in these particular events, the arbitrage is, a little more beneficial. And that's why when Bitcoin kind of dips or there is activity in Bitcoin, they make money. But today they made 4.4%, which is also good. But I was thinking maybe they would do it, bigger. And then my eyes opened when I saw Swift Holdings. I was like, okay, event-driven algo and 10% profit. So this is how I have been observing market. I have been observing these HFTs, and look at Purple Swan. Such consistency in profits, and sometimes they fetch good profit, otherwise they maintain clear consistency. And that's why you see their last 440 days of trading, their maximum drawdown is only 26%. This is the HFT which has the lowest drawdown. And now we will see pi score also improving. Not in the sense of, I mean, calculation, but when investors, they will get on board, these points are going to be covered. When assets will grow, when assets growth will happen. So this is how these services will have better pi scores, more precise pi scores. So after giving the access to all the leaders last night, day before yesterday, I think, yes, I also activated my services. So today I see I have put last night $1,000 each in all the services. Okay. What I observed, like I told you guys, there will be 3 days of first 3 days will be the determination of high watermark. The high watermark will be determined in first 3 days of your investment in any service. This is going to be once in a lifetime thing with a service. Even if you put $10 and activate, and later you can put money and continue. So this is going to be first 3 days. But on the day 1, I made profit. So what I can do tomorrow after PSDS, I can withdraw also this 1148 because high watermark is not achieved. This is my money. I can withdraw. So whatever is created before hitting the last high watermark is yours also. You can withdraw anytime. So what I did investment with different strategies. I put 100% reinvestment in Purple Swan. I did 50-50 just to try how withdrawal comes consistently, just to show you guys also that I have done all the strategies. I've done 50-50. With Algo Rider, I've done 100% withdrawal. With BTC Alpha, I did 100% reinvestment. And I think most of you will do 100% reinvestment because you can withdraw anytime, you know that. So you won't uh, let your funds get disturbed in the compounding cycle. If you need it, you can withdraw anyways. So this is, I think, is going to be the best strategy. 100% reinvestment or 100% withdrawal is also good. If you have, let's say you have put big money. Let's say you start with $500,000 and you put on 100% withdrawal every day. So with the next PSDS, your condition will be saved and 100% profit will be withdrawn. And I think it's going to be a good amount of money every day if when high water mark is achieved and you will have withdrawals. For big portfolios, people can do, I think, and they would also love to do. Or maybe they would also reinvest and then withdraw accordingly, whatever they need, how much money they require. So now you guys can explore the tool, how you can edit your investment. If I want to add more money in the service, I can add $10. If I want to withdraw, I can withdraw also directly from the service. So now first 3 days are high watermark determination, and after 2 more days, I'm going to see my first profits from Algo Rider. I will receive 100% withdrawal. With Blackwood Capital, I will receive 50% withdrawal, 50% reinvest. So I'm going to, of course, come on call Wednesday and show you guys what I received, how did it work. By the way, even if you have put $10 in here, your percentage is same. So everyone is getting identical percentage, identical profits. This is the best to understand that product is scalable, is super scalable. If today I'm able to make 4% on $100, that means I can make tomorrow 4% with $100,000 as well. This is the beauty of uh, a centralized uh, social finance ecosystem where there is no limitation of liquidity. Because 70% of the trading, if you go and remember my doc from day one, 70% of trading is being done on centralized exchanges of the whole crypto market cap. So 70% of the crypto cap is being traded on centralized exchanges. And this is where you are playing. So $10, $100, $100,000, $100 million, the percentage, the profits are going to be identical. So this is sense of, understanding how, how you can win in all market conditions. And I think with the results day by day, with Pi score, with visibility and such transparency, uh, you know, with broker programs, I think we are going to really, really rule the market in retail, because no retail product, ever says that your funds are protected and insured by fire blocks and your funds are protected by Binance safely. And I think this has been a major, relief in affiliate marketing, because till this time, nobody came to me and said, even gave me any question that was negative. So, and Wednesday is going to be more exciting. Come on Wednesday call. I'm going to announce few more important things. First of all, I'm going to announce this road show in Singapore, and I'm also going to announce one more service, one more HFT that is coming on Pi. So we'll give you guys the description, everything. I will tell you how they trade, what kind of strategy they have been doing, what's their profit so far. You will see 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. And this is how more services are going to arrive. and they are going to bring different level of understanding and clarity. And that's when you would need all the tools that we have built, the filter options, everything. Now you don't need, there are just 5. There will be a time when there will be 50, because we are rating 6 almost. Today I'll tell you the real data. Uh, so initially it was 686. Now almost 690 services we are scoring every day. Everything. So the opportunity is very big. So you can invest, and you can even invest and forget in some services and check after 6 months, and you will see massive results. That's what I see, and that's how we have onboarded these services. Once they cross 50 pi score, we will bring it to you. So recently I saw one more important thing. Anyways, I will discuss on Wednesday. On Wednesday, I will give you guys really good, a different picture of how these HFTs are, going to be interesting, because there is this reinvest functionality which will not just multiply your wealth, with high watermark, condition. You are reinvesting somewhere where your funds are getting multiplied every single day. And you are always supposed to win, because the trader, the HFT, which is trading with your money, needs to hit high watermark to get paid. If they don't, then you take all the money back with even your profits. And that's where the product is going to go really, really crazy. So congratulations once again. I hope you guys got your coupons, you guys activated your coupons, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday with first PSDS, and I will see also your screens, how you guys are dealing with, or how you are strategizing. We will do one by one leaders first and ask them what is their strategy, how did they deploy, and then we will mutually discuss more strategies. Thank you so much. Back to you, Trishit.
Shavez, thank you for this rare insight, and thank you for joining this call. I know you are traveling and you have a busy schedule, but you took time. We are heartfully thankful to you, sir. And I believe, the best part about Pi is people right now can experiment, they can experience impact and test the platform with just $10. Yes. So, ladies and gentlemen, that was our esteemed CEO, Mr. Shavez, joining this call. And the recording of this session already has been provided in the Zoom chat, as well as we have master trainings, one on the dashboard by Shavez himself, and one that we covered on the master training this Saturday. So please go through these videos and tutorials. These are very, very important because we have an opportunity, and to make the most of this opportunity, it's very important that we get into real basic details of these things. So once again, thank you for joining this calls, everybody. And tomorrow we again have an excellent presentation by one of the other rank leaders on our different products. And that is it for the evening. Thank you, Shavez, once again. Thank you, everybody, for joining. We have an evaluation form for everybody to give your honest feedback, or quick feedback, in fact. So thank you. And we'll see you again tomorrow on the UK prime time, as well as the other prime times. That is it for the evening.